Hi, I'm Harry. Today we'll be making chicken saag or chicken in spinach puree. So let's get into it. To make the chicken saag, you will need chicken breast, spinach puree, thickened cream, turmeric, garam masala, ginger and garlic paste, dried fenugreek leaves, Kashmiri red chili powder, or you can use paprika if you can't seem to find that, salt. First, let's get started by chopping the chicken into small cubes. I'm going to take the tenderloin out first. And then with the rest of the chicken, cut them in 3 strips. Move that out. So these are about 1.5 centimeter cubes. That way the chicken cooks a lot faster. Then mix it all up until the spices are nicely blended around and melt the chicken. And once this is done, you can set it aside in the fridge for about 15-20 minutes. If it starts to bubble up too much and starts to splatter about, you can always cover it. So it looks like that is pretty much done. If you cook it any further, the cream might split from the spinach. We don't want that. So there you have it, guys, another super simple weeknight dish. It's got enough greens in there, it's got enough proteins in there. Have it with your favorite flatbread, or you can even have it with toast. You can always make the puree in advance and have it ready to go whenever you feel like whipping up a quick dish on a weeknight. Until next time, happy cooking.